In beauty, consistency defines quality. At Yes & Health, we are dedicated to delivering innovative cosmetic solutions for global beauty brands. Based in China's Greater Bay Area, Guangdong Yes & Health Technology Company Limited, we integrate R&D, manufacturing, quality control, and supply chain into one platform, helping brands move from concept to market faster, smarter, and with consistently reliable quality. At Yes & Health, our independent R&D center develops high-performance formulas designed for stability from pilot testing to large-scale production. From active ingredient delivery to botanical extraction and formula optimization, every step is guided by science and precision. We collaborate with qualified third-party laboratories to validate every result, ensuring performance, safety, and consistency. Scaling quality requires precision. At Yes & Health, manufacturing operates in Class 100,000 cleanroom environments with standardized, repeatable processes. Because water is essential to skincare, we treat it as a critical ingredient supported by a Siemens EDI purification system to ensure high-purity production. Using nanoemulsification and low-temperature processing, we enhance active ingredient delivery while preserving ingredient efficacy. Powered by flexible manufacturing and coordinated production network, we ensure consistent quality from raw materials to finished products. Our 28 automated filling lines, equipped inline inspection systems, including empty pack detection and unit weight verification, ensuring precision filling and minimizing production risk. Built for scale, over 1 million units per day and 100 million units per year. Quality is ensured through a comprehensive management system aligned with ISO 22716 and GMPC standards. Our independent QC team monitors key attributes throughout production, ensuring strict control at every stage. Guided by EU compliance requirements and strict internal release standards, finished goods are consistent, documented, and market-ready. We provide end-to-end OEM and ODM services for international clients. Our portfolio covers facial skincare, body care, hair care, and personal care, supported from formulation and packaging to manufacturing and delivery. We operate under globally recognized frameworks, including GMPC and BSCI, and support FDA-related compliance requirements for global markets. Reliable supply chains begin with trusted partners. We collaborate with leading global suppliers, including BASF and DSM, ensuring material reliability and full traceability across supply chain. Supported by our professional sales teams and responsive after-sales support, we provide end-to-end partnership from concept to finished product. For over 20 years, our global partnerships have brought products to customers in more than 130 countries and regions, building lasting relationships with trusted clients worldwide. Our mission is clear: to build a smarter manufacturing platform for global beauty brands. With stronger R&D, expanded capacity, and advanced automation, Yes & Health is becoming a trusted partner for global brands, delivering quality at scale and confidence in every launch.